Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Kawachi Wine. Kawachi Wine is a winery in Habikino City, Osaka. Many people think Osaka is famous only for food and busy city life. However, this area is also known for grape farming. Kawachi Wine is a place that shows this local tradition. The winery started in the 1930s. The warm climate and gentle hill in this area are good for growing grapes. Today, many vineyards are still around the winery. The company makes wine from local grapes that are grown in the Kawachi region. Visitors can join a tour to learn how wine is made. During the tour, you can see the winery and underground cellar where wine is kept in large barrels. You can also taste different kinds of wine, which helps visitors understand Japanese wine cultures. There is also a shop that sells wine and local products. Visitors can buy wine, sweets, and other foods that are made with local ingredients. In recent years, Japanese wine has become more popular around the world. Because of this, more foreign visitors come to see wineries like Kawachi Wine. Since 2023, the winery has improved English information and tour to help international visitors enjoy the experience. The winery is easy to visit. It's about an 8-minute walk from Komagatani station on the Kintetsu Minami Osaka line. Around the winery, you can see vineyards and quiet countryside views. Kawachi Wine is a good place to visit if you want to learn about Japanese wine and local agriculture. It shows a different side of Osaka, which is calm, rural, and connected to nature. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.